Hello, everybody. You made it to your last week of your credential program, semester one. So everybody's doing really great. I've been sending out emails on things that you might be missing, so make sure you're checking your email for that. This is that last final push, so I need just those last little housekeeping things to be done this week as soon as possible. I know some of you were saying that you were going to utilize this week to get those last little things done. That's great. I have almost everybody's SVPs graded. I'm just waiting on two, which is fine. They're utilizing this week. But if you've already turned in your SVP, it is graded. So you can go ahead and check it. Do a quick run through of your binder and make sure everything is completed. And everything's looking great. So I'm really, really proud of all of you. I know that first semester is really rough because it is kind of a shock of all the things that teachers go through, like day-to-day stuff. But I hope that you all did, or I hope you all enjoyed your first semester and are gearing up for your second, but make sure to take a break during winter break. Something that I would recommend to everybody is go on to some cool teaching websites and look at different strategies. So as teachers, myself included, we tend to stick to the same maybe 5 to 10 strategies and kind of rotate them. But since you're new teachers, you haven't built a toolbox of strategies that work well for you yet because you haven't had to. So creating something and maybe just having like a running Google Doc with links to cool strategies is a great idea. And I recommend that to all my students. Pinterest is not just for recipes and clothes. Has great teaching strategies. You can always use stuff like Teachers Pay Teachers, but I try and steer clear of things that charge you unless you really need them, like classroom decor stuff. Sometimes it's great for Teachers Pay Teachers. But just look through some different fun ideas. SIOP, SIOP strategies are for English learners, but the strategies are great and can be used in any capacity. So I think that's really fun. AVID strategies, AVID, AVID. It's kind of an old school term, but it's great. They have great strategies. So look through those, create a toolbox, create links on a running document, and just have that open and ready to go. So when you get your first classroom in August, you have some ideas. Above all, as I've tried to stress this entire time, relationships are number one. Getting to know your students. I really enjoyed reading a lot of your SVPs because you knew stuff about students that wasn't just academic. That's huge. So you want to make sure that you're gravitating towards authoritative, not authoritarian. So authoritarian is low relationships, high structure. Authoritative is high structure, high relationships. So you want to make sure it's a good balance. Kids don't listen to people they don't like. I wish I could say they listen to everybody. They don't. So make sure that as you go into your next semester and get your own classroom, you build those relationships. I have had such a wonderful time getting to know you guys through your videos and through your emails. If any of you need anything from me, a reference, or if you want to just even observe my class, you're all welcome. Just shoot me an email. But I hope you have a wonderful break and have some much needed relaxation. All right. Bye, everybody.